Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. So today we are going to learn about the how to create subscribers in MailChimp. So today we are going to use the MailChimp API to create the subscribers or the members in the MailChimp. Okay. So let's see how we are going to implement that part. So let's have a look. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how to create the subscribers or a new lead into that MailChimp. Okay. So basically the MailChimp is basically used for the newsletter subscription, right? So we are going to use how we are going to integrate that API in the PHP, and we will going to subscribe that user into the MailChimp. So let's have a look how we are going to implement. For that one, we need to create the account on the MailChimp. So I'm going to do the sign up process. I think I have the login, I guess. Let me try this if it is working. If let me check this one. Roy gmail.com. Sorry, you could not find an account. Let's do the forget password. You need to create that account. That's very important. Username I don't remember, but I will check my username over this password. Reset. Verify. Reset password. Please check this user with the username does not exist. Okay, let's create the new one. Okay, we don't have the next option. Let's go to the Mailchimp part. So let's go and create the sign up free. This is the sign up. No. So here we are going to use this package. Sign up for free. Start free trial. They have a different interface right now. Okay, let's go for the start free trial. 500. Create account. I will create the account over here. So I will use my this email ID. Username, this one. The password I will add here. I will use another password. Perfect. Sign up. Save. Okay. Check your email. Open Gmail. Mailchimp. Activate. Okay. Free plan. Current free plan. Purchase summary. Next. First name. I will put my name. Rajnikant Chaudhary. Business name. Test. Phone number optional. Next. Optional. Next. Okay, there is Ruslan city. This we can add this one anything. एक दो तीन चार पाँच might be next. Dry sales next. There is no nothing skip. Skip, finish. Let's go. Okay. So here we need to go for the API keys. You can see that we have, you can see that here we have nothing, no campaigns and no audience are there. All contacts sign up, nothing is there, right? So we are going to create the campaign. We are going to add some of the subscribers to the API from the code in the PHP, and we are going to show it over here, right? So let's take a look of that API keys and all. So here we have the integrations. No audience, all campaigns. Let's go to our create. So we need to go for the what we require. Here we are going to require the API key. API key Mailchimp. So you need to go for the API Mailchimp over here. Help about the API keys Mailchimp marketing API. Where need to go? Account, then X API keys. We need to go for the this one. So this is the API keys that we are in. So this we have to create the API extra, skipping over create an API key. So I'm going to create the API key right now. So is that created? It's created. Let's copy it. Copy, and we are going to paste it over here. Same thing, API this one, and here we need to update this one also, right? We have updated. Now we need the list id we required, and the email that you want to create. So test 90 is okay. I'm going to create that test 90 with the email, and here we have to need the list id. So let's go for the list id. Where are all the contacts? So here we have the contacts, and this is my list. Let's see where is my list id. So here we have the list id is, let's open it, this one, list members and list id. We need to fetch, because that's very important for sending with the particular part, right? So I'm going to go with the audience dashboard, add your contacts. Import from another surface, don't require it. Let's go back. Yes, create. This is not also good. Sign up, no, this one not. All contacts, manage, add contact, add settings. Here we're gonna add subscriber. If I go with test 56 at the rate gmail.com, and first name anything, last name anything, street address, this city, this provision, and this person give me the permission to email them. This person already is subscribed. Please check your entry and try again. So if I go to the all contacts, it will get the receive mail, and whether you want to subscribe or not, it depends upon to you. Overview, settings. This is audience ID. This is a list ID, not. Let me check this part where to get the list ID. List ID. This is Mailchimp. Generate randomly. Give me a second. I get the list ID. So this is our list ID, that where we need to send all the contacts over here. Just copy it and go to our code and paste it. This is our list ID. We need to update. Okay, so this is the API. This is the API key. This is the API key with -1 position, and this is the URL that we need to send this part, right? And email address, we are going to send test 90, and status to be subscribed. Whether it's to be subscribed or whether it's pending, you can add both the statuses. And this is the curl request. Whatever error we are going to show, it will show whether the user is added or whether it should be throwing error. Let's run this part, right? So let's open this in the terminal. So let's open with this terminal, and we will just add php index.php, php index.php, right? Let's enter it. You can see that, and the user is added successfully to the Mailchimp, right? So let's see. Mailchimp, it has only one contact right now, right? Just reload this. Now two contacts are there. Let's see two contacts, who those who are contacts are. You can see that test 90. Okay, so test 90 is there, and it is subscribed. Okay, so you can see that, but here you can see that first name, last name, address, phone number, these things are not there, right? So for the subscription letter, for the subscription, you always need the email address only, right? So you can use this as a subscription letter. It is the most famous subscription letter, Mailchimp, for the subscribe the newsletter part, and you can use this. Okay, in the coming video, in the coming series, we are going to learn about how to send the first name, last name, address, phone number, all of these things in our collect all of this data into the Mailchimp, right, in the coming series. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.